In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo can't add bank account. So if your Venmo can't add your bank account, that may be because your account has been disconnected or there's some issues to it. So you can see your payment methods when you go to the Meet tab and you can check the wallet section from there. So the payment methods accepted by Venmo are your card that have Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, or prepaid cards. So as you can see, JCB is not in here, so do take that into mind. So some things to keep in mind is it's not possible to add your PayPal card or your PayPal account to Venmo, and cards may be declined by the card issuer at Venmo for funds availability or fraud prevention reasons. So if your card or your bank account can't be added, that may be because it's declined by your bank itself or Venmo for the funds availability. So if your bank becomes disconnected from Venmo, like lost connection, this can happen when you're updating your online banking password. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.